Okay, we come to question 6. A company with 6,000 shares declared a dividend of 56,000 kwacha. What amount will BET receive for her 36 shares? Okay, so to find the answer, the correct answer for this one, what we're going to do is we're going to say 6,000 shares is equal to a dividend of 56,000 kwacha. Okay, now how much will BET get, or get for 36 shares? So she has got 36 shares. How much is she going to get? We don't know, so equal it x. Okay, so what we do is we cross multiply. That means we're going to have 6,000 x, because cross multiply 6,000 times x will give us 6,000 x, then times we have 36 times 56,000 kwacha. Okay, so what we can do is we can divide both sides by 6,000 just to simplify. Now we don't have to multiply the numbers that on the right side, because you are going to get a bigger number. So before you do that, let's first divide both sides by 6,000 kwacha. Okay, 6,000 kwacha. Okay, that means the 6,000 here and here will cancel each other out, leaving us with x, which will be equal to, then the 3 zeros here and these 3 zeros will cancel each other, leaving us with the 6 kwacha and 36. Now 6 into 36, 6 into 6, it's 1. 6 into 36, it will go 6 times. Okay, now what we are remaining with, 6 times, okay, 56 kwacha. Okay, so what do we do now? What we can do is, now we can say x is equal to, so what we do is 6 times 6 will give us 36. Remember, I'm trying to multiply 56. Okay, 56 times 6. So what are we going to get? 56 times 6. 6 times 6 will give us 36. So I'm going to write 6 carry 3. 6 times 5 will give us 30, plus 3 will give us 336. Okay, so 336 is the amount, or is the amount that BET will get, 336. So here where it's written answer, I'm going to write 336 kwacha. Okay, so if you have got questions, you can ask in the comment section, but basically this is how we go about this.